Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in this video, we are going to draw the image that is visible on your screen. So it obviously contains one polar array and some circle using center diameter and center radius methods. And we can use offset in this one as well. So without further delay, let's start this drawing and take a screenshot and draw alongside me. And one more thing, we are going to start from the innermost circle and then we are going to proceed outwards. So start drawing alongside me, and in case of any doubt, just feel free to comment. So without further delay, let's start. So we will start this drawing from the innermost circle, which is of radius. One is of radius 55 and another one is of diameter, which is provided to us, that is 88. So select origin as the center 0, 0 and specify the diameter of our circle as 88 units. Now second one, we are provided with radius, so select center and specify radius as 55 units and then press enter. After that, the next circle we need is of 128 diameter, so use center and diameter, click on the center and use 128 and then press enter. After that, what do we need is we need one more circle of diameter 226. So specify this center as the same origin and specify diameter as 226 and then press enter. Now after drawing all of them, we need to use X line or construction line for the purpose of drawing offset, or we can simply use line as well. So it's totally up to us. So let's use ray first. Instead of X line, let's use ray. Now click on any starting point, type RAY, enter, then specify the starting point and then place it like this and press escape. Now we are going to create offset of this particular ray for 10 units on both sides. So specify offset distance as 10, press enter and then click on the line and click on both sides and you will get the offset. Now we are going to trim the non-required portion from here. So TR, enter, then TR, enter, and then remove these. Now this particular point that we are seeing here, this is the center for the circles that are given to us. So we are going to use center and radius option. So click on center. Now specify radius for the first circle as 20 units, and for the second circle we need to specify same center and radius will be 26 units and then press enter. Okay, so that's what we needed here. Now what else do we need to do is we are going to remove everything that is inside this particular area so that it looks a little bit better. Now so click on trim and then remove this section. Also we don't need this section as well as these lines. Okay, so these are the portions that we don't need. Okay, then press escape. After that, if there is any section that we need, you can keep it, but I have removed it as it was not in the drawing that was there. Now what else do we need to do is basically we need to create fillet of radius 40 in this particular section. So click on fillet, specify fillet radius as 40 units and then press enter. Click on this one and click on this one. So this is the fillet radius that we needed, but we need this one as well. So we are going to extend this. So click on extend and then click on this circle. You will see that the line is extended. Okay, now the next thing that we need is we need to create a polar array for this section. Okay, so click on polar array and then specify the center of all of these circles as the center and specify number of items as 4. Okay, we have made one mistake here. We needed the lines as well. In polar array we needed the line as well, so that is something that we need to change or that we need to edit. Okay, so click on close array, and we are going to use not polyline, press Ctrl Z and then select all of them and select these two lines. Okay, then click on polar array and specify origin as the center of this polar array. Okay, and specify number of items as 4 and then press enter. Now we need to remove some portion of this one, but it will not be removed until or unless we have exploded the array. So click on explode command and then click on the array and then press enter. Now we will be able to trim it. So click on trim and remove all the portions that we don't need. So we can remove them. Okay, now there are certain other portions as well that we need to remove. So we have this 55 circle outer one. Okay, so we don't need to remove this one, but we need to remove this. Okay, so remove it, and from here as well we need to remove it. Then this one also. Okay, now we need to create another fillet on this side. So fillet radius will remain the same. Okay, so that's it. Now we need to extend this line. So click on extend, and the line can be extended like this, and we need to extend this curve as well. Click enter. Okay, so what else do we need to do is we need to basically make this circle a little lighter, because this is going to be used for the purpose of dimensions only, nothing else. Now we are going to select these two fillets and this one also. Okay, so these are the things that we are going to select, and we are going to create a mirror image of this one. So select the center and vertically downwards line as mirror line. Do not erase the source object, and you will see that we are done with the lowermost portion. Now click on trim and press enter and remove these sections, as these are also not needed to us. Okay, now after that, the next thing that we need to do is we need to draw lines that are tangent to these circles. So specify any starting point of let's say we are starting this particular line from this one, and we are joining it at a tangent like this. Bring it back and join it at tangent. Okay, and press enter, and we will remove the remaining previous line like this. Now we are going to create a mirror for this one. So click on mirror and specify this center as mirror line and press enter. Do not erase the source object. Now this circle, we don't need it. We simply need it for the purpose of dimensioning. So we are going to hide it for now. So this is our main drawing that we wanted to create. Okay, now we are going to place these dimensions. So click on this one using dim linear. Okay, do we need any other linear dimension? No, I don't think so. So the next thing, we need certain diameters. So we need to specify the diameter of this one. Right click, diameter of this outermost circle. Then we need radiuses. So click on dim radius. Now dim radius is the command that we want to use. Right click, repeat, dim radius for this one. Now I hope all the radiuses are there except the outermost circle. So let's make it appear again. Right click and repeat dim diameter. Click on this one and place this diameter. So these are all the values that we needed. And what we are going to do is we are going to select all of these commands, and we are going to use select similar, select diameter as well, select similar, shift them to depth points and hide it for now. Okay, now we are going to use hatch, gradient, use our standard colors. So these are all the hatch colors. Next thing, we will again use hatch, gradient, and we are going to fill these regions with a gradient along with this one. Press enter, click on close hatch creation. So it's done, and use hatch again for one more option. Let's see, blue with a lighter shade, like this, like this, like this, and like this. Then enter. The next thing, we are again going to use one more color. Let's see, and this time the color that we are going to use is yellow only. So you can use a solid yellow color as well. Solid, instead of bilayer, use yellow. Click inside this, 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 and this region, and click on close hatch creation. Now we will make all the dimensions appear. Now, in order to increase the dimension size, we are going to use dim style command, dimsty, press enter, click on modify, and then we are going to increase the text size. So let's increase this text size to 5 and arrow size to 5. Click OK, click close. Now the dimensions are a little bit better. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much and have a nice day.